Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a copy of a Google Sheets spreadsheet file. Right, so it's very easy to make a copy or duplicate a Google Sheets spreadsheet. All you have to do is click on the file menu here. If you do not see the menu icon, so click on this drop down icon here and click on file, and then you're going to be able to click on make a copy. So as you can see, then the default copy of file name, which is in this case project management sheet, will be added to the name, but you can change the name of the duplicate file name. So add number here. You can also select the folder you want to copy this Google spreadsheet to, and you can also copy the comments and share it with the same people you have already shared this project management sheet with. And once you have selected all the options here, just click on make a copy. And as you can see, a complete copy of this project management sheet spreadsheet file has been created. So notice I can make a copy or duplicate a Google spreadsheet document. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our complete Google Sheets function database or our Google Sheets shortcut keys ebook for free and other Google Sheets resources and Google Sheets templates, then make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, if you want to learn more about how to use Google Sheets, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlists, where you have a ton of tutorials and more Google Sheets tutorials are coming up, so also make sure to subscribe.